Okay, I guess I am live now. Just to make sure I can hear the audio. Test, test, test. Um, if somebody is watching, please submit your comment or let me know if you can hear me, just to make sure my mic is working and if you can see me, to make sure my webcam is working. Uh, this is George.k.chamoun. I want to welcome you on this live stream, and thank you for coming on this presentation. It's not going to be a very long presentation, but I'm going to go over the FTP and how I use it. The FTP on here. And if you have any questions, please submit your comments. So I'm gonna start with this is this is an overview of the FTP software I use. And I have more presentations, more videos coming the next few days where I can go into more details. But now this is the first part of the FTP series, how to use the file transfer protocol software, and how to it's used for transferring files from your computer to your web server. If you're watching on a desktop, you might want to expand your screen, the window here, just like this, so you can have a bigger screen, because the text is very small on a FTP software. So this first, it's called, the one I'm using is FileZilla, but there are a lot of software you can use for transferring your file from your computer to your web server. So you need the FTP software on your computer installed, and you need an account on your web server. It's called the FTP access, and then you can log in once you start your FTP, like the FileZilla software on your computer. You have to log in. You have to use first. They give you your web hosting account. Will provide you with the server access. So mine is usually it's FTP dot, in my case is georgekc.com. Okay, so now I entered my credential, uh, the address, which is FTP dot, in my case is georgekc.com, but it depends on your domain name. Usually it's the FTP dot and then your domain name, and then you'll enter your username and the password, and you can see them on the top here, on the top. Okay, so now I'm gonna log in. I'm gonna hit quick connect, and then you get this message. The host is ftp.georgekc.com, then the port, and you hit OK. So if you look at the screen, you can see my, this is my desktop files here. It says local site. And if you look on the top, it says C, users, George, desktop. This is my desktop folders here and files. And on this side, if you look, it says remote site. This is my web server or the web hosting account. And this is my remote site here on this side. So basically, uh, I am using the FTP software. I'm using my FTP software, and I'm looking at the left side is my local machine, my computer, and the right side is the web server or my website, and looking at the top, remote site. So basically you have four windows. Like this, the left side is my local machine, and this window is divided, and you can move it up. And let's say you want to see what's in Georgekc. This is my website, Georgekc. Georgekc, it's right here. This is my website, but it's on my local machine. That's how I edit it. And those files here, you can see them here too. But you see, looking at the blog and going down CSS, almost they're identical, but some of them, like this stat, it's the statistics, the visitors, it's on my website. It's not going to be on my machine. On my machine, whatever I create myself. But most of them are here. Like, let's say the services.html, you'll see it here. Services. This is the same. So if you look on the right side, this is my website here, my website, and I can look at it from my desktop. I'm looking at it from my desktop. So the top, this is the root directory on my website, and those are the folders that represent files, images, and that make up my website. And my home page is usually the home page is index.html or index.php. So this is my home page, the index.html. So let me make this smaller to show you my website at the same time. So this is so looking at my this is my website here, the first page, and this is it right here, the index.html. Now you look on the top, this is the /, this is the root directory. So my website files are in a root directory. And if you look underneath the root directory, you see Barber. This is the website I uploaded yesterday. It says Barber here. And let me show you how I access it. It's right here. If I hit forward, Barber, enter. So this is another website. It's in a subdomain of my main website. So this is another website now. So let me show you another website. Okay, I showed you the barber. Let me show you the celebrity. This one. This is a website too. So if I go here, so this is on the internet now. So if you're sitting at your desktop now or your phone, you can access these. You can see them. You can see what I'm seeing now because this is on the internet. So basically, if you type on your machine georgekc.com /barber / this is what you can see. This is another website. It's a subdomain basically. There's let me show you another website. This is the design agency. Also, instead of typing celebrity, you can type here design agency. Enter. Okay, I have to enter the home page. The home page is index-design-agency dot html. Enter. So guys, if you have any questions, please submit it in a comment, or if you're interested in any other ideas about other videos in the future, because I'll be making more videos related to the building a website using pre-made templates like HTML and CSS and JavaScript templates. If you're watching this video, please submit your name or introduce yourself and where you tuning in from. So this is the design agency templates that I uploaded yesterday. This is a website, folks. If we never met before, my name is Georgekc-com, and I am in a U.S. state of South Dakota in Sioux Falls. That's the name of the town, and it's been snowing today. It's still snowing now. So let me show you another website. Agency hotspot. So this is the agency hotspot. That's another website. So basically, I like this one. This one is nice. So all of those websites, I uploaded them to my web server, and you can access them by using the this FTP software. So, and I had to do some editing using Visual Studio Code. Maybe in the future videos I'll talk more about Visual Studio Code. So guys, please submit your, if you have any questions, feel free to submit it in a comment about the FTP software and how to use, if you have any questions. Okay, so this is what I used to upload the files and templates to my website, this software here. Um, it's not difficult, it's easy, but you have to get used to it and you have to use it so many times, and it's got so many options, but it's not that difficult. You can use what you need in it. Basically you have to have an account, like from your, you get it from your web hosting, and they give you the FTP address of your server, the FTP server, and they'll create an account for you. You have to have a username and a password, and you can log in. Then you start moving around stuff, transferring files. Uh, if you are interested in learning more about the FTP software and how to set up a website, even if you're not a programmer or a coder, I can help you by offering you a free consultation call for 30 minutes, and I can help you, and it's gonna be for free. In case you have any questions, you get to ask me in person, one-on-one. So and the link is in the description. You can set up an appointment, and you can ask me anything you want. And I'm not gonna tell you I'm very advanced. I'm starting new with this, but by now I know the basics of HTML and CSS, and I can set up a website using themes and pre-made templates. I don't program them myself because it takes a lot to program a web page, you know, and I'm not a web designer. So Oh, it looks I don't have the links in the description. I have to add them. Let me add the links in the description. Or maybe I'll add them later. Or you know what? Let me just look at the other ones. Oh, let me see this one here. Let me see. Oh, yeah, it looks like I don't have the links on every one. I have to add it later on. Let me see this one here. Yes. Oh, okay, I have them here on this one. Let me add them on this one here now. Edit. Okay, add them now. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. I added them now. They're right here. So guys, if you need any consultation, free consultation for half an hour, you can click on this link here and it will take you to this page here, and then you can book a call here and we can talk about setting up a website if you're interested in.